what's up, YouTube? Is the host with the man, the myth, and the legend, King Geo. Well, I just want to tell you guys that starting July 15th and every 15th of every month, your child tax credit will go to your bank account. And if you have a bank account, it'll go to you by check. Now, for those who have not filed and don't file because you got welfare or you don't need to file because you don't make X amount of dollars, you can file. I'm going to put a link below. So you could do a non-filer. All right, that's non-filer. So, and it's very, very, very easy. You don't need no one to help you. But if you need help, you can reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you and to assist you. So it's a non-filer. That's basically, it tells you your name, your social, your address, how many dependents you have. Maybe it'll ask you. Sorry, maybe it'll ask you, did you receive your last credit, your stimulus pack? I mean, have you received your stimulus? Maybe that I haven't entered it, but if it's like before, so you just put in your name, your social, the kid's name, your bank routing number, and stuff like that. Then you have in that same non-filer, you're gonna have also what's going to call no tax, meaning that you're gonna opt out of getting that monthly payment, because what's happening now is that you're supposed to get you're getting a $3,600 child tax credit for every child. If your child is between the ages 0 to 4, you get $300, and if your child is from 6 to 17, then you get $250. So at the end of the day, it all comes out to $3,600, right? So what they're doing is they're dividing those $3,600 in from July, August, September, October, November, December, for 6 months. So that's half the year, right? So you're gonna take, on the non-filer, when you go to the non-filer, you can opt out and say, I don't want to take it every month. Give it to me at the end of the year. Give it to me when I'm going to get my tax, when I'm going to go and file for my income tax, which is not a bad idea, because think about it. If you're working in a job and you're getting your child tax credit, then so you get double. You get that tax credit plus you're getting your child's tax. So if you have 2 kids, you multiply $3,600. That's $1,700 plus another $1,700. If you get, that's $15,000 that you're gonna get for just 1 month. But if you really do need the money, and then you don't have to do anything. If you already filed, it'll go to you. But if you need to do changes on your application or on your taxes, either your child has moved out, or the mother or the father now has custody of the child, or any of those changes, you have to add another child, or you want to change the bank info on your taxes. Then I think, if I'm not mistaken, on Friday or Thursday, the 1st of July, that's when that kicks in. So you'll be able to do all those changes, to you, so you can get it. So starting the 15th, you're gonna get that $250 to $300, depending on your child. If the IRS said that if you receive the letter stating that you might get this money, then most definitely you will get the money. All right. I'm not sure, but I don't think this is going to be garnished for any child support payments. It's going to be garnished for any back pay, or if you owe anything federally. I don't think this is going to be garnished. Don't hold my breath. I don't comment because I haven't read that, but it probably won't. So so if you owe the IRS or if you owe child support, so I don't think you have to worry. You don't have to worry about that. But don't take my word for it. Still do the research and find out, so you don't get. Don't say, "Oh, King Geo told me." No. So I'm not sure, but I'm most likely it's not. But just to make sure, just do that. And guys, also very important. If you guys are getting unemployment right now, and you're not taxing the unemployment, and you're just getting it straight unemployment with no taxes taken out, take your taxes out. because at the end of the year, you're gonna end up paying those taxes. Look what happened now. Biden passed that law that if you were paying taxes on your income tax, you was gonna get $10,000 back or something like that, and that would have been great if you filed your taxes. When I did my unemployment for several years ago, I opted in to have my taxes taken out because I didn't want to owe the IRS any money. You may say, okay, I have less, but you have less, but then at the end of the year, you don't have to pay. So when you do get that credit, you get that money. You know what I'm saying? You get that money. So yeah. So on the 15th of July, that's when your first payment is going to go in. For those people who have Bluebird or Serve or cards like that, they do it 2 days prior. So instead of the 15th, you might get it on the 13th. Because I know Bluebird and Serve by the American Express card. I don't know about Green Dot or anything like that. I know they do it 2 days early, so you can get your money. Some banks do it 1 day early, so check with your bank as to when they do that. And if the deposit falls on a Sunday, then you get it on a Saturday. Well, thank you very much. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and if I find anything else, I will let you know. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and God bless.